Good morning, Metro Tacloban! HUC Tacloban, look at this! Yan yung tubig! Aww! 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 Apakagaling! Prime water! Tingnan nyo, hugasan namin. Aww! Aww! 24 hours kahapon walang awas. 24 hours. Kahapon, walang awas. So, nagising ako kahapon, 2 a.m. para magantay ako ng tubig. Natulog kami. Kanina, mag-aalauna, wala pa rin tubig. What is happening? What is happening? Ang dumi na nga ng tubig. Alam, yung tubig na yun, hindi po yan awas namin. Iniigib namin yan. Yan. 3 pesos per jug. Ayan, igib namin yan. May sasabihin na ako. Water shouldn't even be for sale. Because water, the owner of water is the environment. Nasa kapaligiran natin ang tubig. Given na yan na kailangan ng tao. And ang nagmamay-ari ng tubig ay ang tao. Pero why is it na big companies steal water from the people and sell the water sa mga tao? And then, they don't even give the proper services that we deserve. Right? Pag may nasisira, ilang araw bago ayusin. Pag walang tubig, actually, lagi namang walang tubig. It's like, kinukurakot nyo yung pera ng tao. And then, yung binabalik yung serbisyo is, alam mo yun, oh my God. Yung binabalik yung serbisyo sa tao is bullshit. Tubig pa ba to? O pasang-awang tubig lang? Kasi lagi namang ganito kapag umuulan eh. Ganyan yung tubig nyo eh. Why? Why do you serve people this type of water? We're paying for that water, di ba? We are fucking paying for that water. Why would you give the people paying for that water that quality of water? Hindi ko gets. I am sorry if maarte tayo. Why? Kasi we were not supposed to pay for that water in the first place. It's God's gift. The water should be just free. I don't know who invented it. Electricity, pwede pa. But water? Actually, electricity, there's solar na. But anyway, if you're gonna have a service like this, prime water, make sure that you give the best services to people. Why? One day, someone out there will solve this problem for you and you will go the fuck down. Period.